Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to be diving into an unboxing of this wood burning kit right here in front of me. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. This right here is a wood burning kit that I got off of Amazon, and I will leave links for you in the description below just to confirm so you can check this out on your end. Now let's dive straight on into it and let's open it up here. And I am going to go ahead and unbox it with you all here, and we will take an in-depth review and a more closer look at the performance in another video. But for now I want to show you the contents. So upon opening the box here, we are greeted with a user manual, as you can see. Now feel free to pause at any time should you choose to do so. Now let's proceed to check out the content here. So as you can see, we are greeted with some pins here, heat pins. This is what they are looking like, and allow me to zoom in so I can show you this up close here. So you can see these are the connections right here, and these are the pins themselves. And forgive me if my terminology is incorrect in terms of what these actually are, but to me, I guess since I hold them like a pin, I call it a heat pin. But you can see. So after first impressions, these seem of pretty good quality. These are definitely better than what I was currently using. I was using a 1 temperature wood burning pin right here, as you can see, the walnut hollow. This one's actually a very good entry level pin. It's not a bad one to have. However, I need something with more to it. I need to be able to control temperatures and to be more precise. Here I could have different tips, as you see right here. It comes with these two. This is what it looks like up close, so allow me to place these over to the side. And what else comes within the packaging here? We have some more tips right there, as you can see. We have a tool, a cleaner there. So here we have the pin docks here. So here are the docks for the pins themselves. Let's go ahead and place these over to the side as well. And right here we have pretty much the core of this setup. This is what allows me to control my temperatures and plug both of the pins into this interface right here. Allow me to take off the wrapping so we can take a good look at it. So this is the unit itself. This is the interface. Here the pins go plugged in. Here you can pick which pin you would like to use. And this is the box all the way around. This is what the unit looks like here. And this is the power switch. And it does have a bit of weight to it, so it does feel of good quality here. I mean, again, I am beginning my wood burning journey, so I don't know, again, what is super high end and what isn't. But after first impressions, this one has a bit of weight to it. It does feel like it has a solid build. Nothing really feels too cheap. Everything feels more professional over what I was currently using, which was again, the walnut hollow wood burning pin right here. So that is all of the contents. Allow me to organize everything and I will be back here. Okay, so this is everything that comes within this wood burning kit right here. As you can see, we have 2 heat pins. We have tips right here. We have these sponges for the docks. We have both docks. There's also a tool included as well. We have the interface and the user manual. So this is yet again everything that comes within this wood burning kit right here. Now for this video, I am going to keep it shorter to an unboxing. I am going to make a different video and I will leave it floating up here for you, or it'll be the next video that plays where I go ahead and set this up and review it with you all as well. Now, should you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you. Drop a comment down below and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.